Hello everyone! I will show you how to change your leverage, how to create your trading password, invest password, and Hubx PIN. Here we go. So log in your email account here and then password and then click login. Okay, make it sure that it's correct and then log in. Alright, here we go. Then click this setting like a wheel sign. After that, go to change leverage and then choose the leverage you want to. So you can choose from 1:100 up to the maximum of 1:500. My recommendation is you can use 1:300 or 400 or 200. And then click confirm here. There you go. So, and then when you click the submit, here we go. If you click the submit, there is a confirmation email you will receive on your registered email. Okay, that's for the leverage. And now I will show you how to change your password or how to create trading password. So here we go. Click password and then go to and choose trading password. This is trading password. So then click confirm. And then nominate your trading password. So for example, is here and then click submit. And then same thing, you can receive a confirmation email that you changed the trading password. Next is how to change your or to create your invest password. So the difference between invest password and the trading password is if you are a fund manager or you have a fund manager, you are giving your trading password to your account manager, to your fund manager, and then the invest password is for you to monitor your account. So change password or here, click this and then choose the invest password. Okay, then confirm. And then nominate your or create your new password for your invest password. If you log in it into your MetaTrader 4 application or MT4 account, you cannot make a trade because this is a viewing password only. So if you want to trade, then choose the trading password to log in. Okay, understand? And then create your new password, and after that click the submit. So you can create like this and then click invest and click submit, and then same thing, you can receive an email for the confirmation. And then for the Hubx PIN, it's also same thing, change password and then choose Hubx PIN, this one, and then confirm, and then you can nominate your Hubx PIN and then click submit, and then confirmation email will be sent on your email, registered email of your TMGM account. That's it. Thank you.